Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Hyperos latest build, Circle installed, and permissions granted. You do this so the system can index files and listen when you search. First, sign into your account to sync history, then open Circle and let it run its initial index. This indexing step takes time, but is crucial because Circle relies on metadata and full-text search. Once indexing begins, make a quick test query to verify connectivity, and move on when the index shows progress. Next, configure Circle search scope and filters so you target results efficiently. You choose local or cloud indexes and then set operators like name and date to narrow hits. This reduces noise and speeds results. Use quotes for exact phrases and add type to limit to PDFs or images. Once configured, run a layered query, apply recency and size filters, then refine with app source. This detailed execution reduces manual scanning and surfaces precise items quickly. To finish, save your custom queries and pin frequent results so you repeat searches instantly. This step saves time and creates predictability. Then test several real queries to verify relevance and tweak filters. If results are missing, force a reindex or clear Circle cache. This repairs stale metadata. Make sure permissions and sync are active if indexing stalls. One key troubleshooting tip: if reindexing fails, restart Hyperos and verify disk health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.